Yo, what's up guys, it's Spectrum back here with a brand new video. We're probably going to start a tips and tricks sort of thing on my channel. Today we're going to be talking about tightening ball joints, specifically on my Mafex action figures. As you can see, we have the Suicide Squad Joker's legs over here because his waist joint is a little loose. But that's literally the only thing that has been loose on him this entire time. Thought I'd get those legs in a funny pose there for you. We have the Iron Spider and the Justice League Batman here with their heads in the background. I use the sorry, I've had it out of frame. I use the hardening nail polish for this. It's not going to damage your plastic whatsoever, at least in my experience so far. If you want to tighten, so let's say your Mafex figures have interchangeable heads, right? And in my experience, that first head has always been looser than the other heads that come with the figure. And I think that's because that's the head that you remove the most and put back on the most. So instead of applying it to the ball peg, you can see I applied it to the ball peg on this Justice League Batman right here. You know, this one I haven't applied any nail polish to. Apply it inside the actual head sockets themselves. We'll take a quick look at one of those real quick. Can't really see it. You can see the gloss down in there. That's because I applied it inside the socket instead of on the actual ball joint itself. Let's try to get that to sit back up there. That's fine. But yeah, I use Sally Hansen Hard as Nails hardener nail polish right here. And yeah, I would let it sit for like 4 to 6 hours or so. My buddy lets it sit for an entire day because he doesn't want to push his luck, but I tightened up this Batman's hand and his neck joint yesterday, and I let it sit for like 3 or 4 hours, and it was fine. You know, as long as it's completely dry and as long as it's hardened, at least like to a rubbery material, it should be fine. But if it's still a little goopy and just sort of liquidy, I would not, you know, reapply the pieces just yet. And we have Mafex Spidey and Diamond Select Lizard here. I love those so much. But yeah, this has been Spectrum's Tips and Tricks, and I'm rolling out, and I'll see you guys later. Thank you so much for watching. Peace.